What's going on, everyone? Michael here, and today we're going to be talking about the most effective and quickest way to earn over $1,000 a day with AI and ChatGPT. Now, if you've never made money online before, don't worry, you're in the right place. I'm going to be sharing with you everything you need to get started today. And I'm also going to be giving you a bunch of free stuff. You're going to be able to get access to the digital playbook right here, which is a checklist showing you step by step with tutorials too of how to do everything that I'm going to be talking about in this video. This is a list of prompts that I use for creating my short form content. Also, here is a Notion tablet or a Notion screen that has all these different prompts that I use from content creation, customer support, business question, and a bunch of other really cool stuff. Going back into the checklist, there's also a list of 130 plus AI tools that you're able to get paid to promote. We have done few short form videos right here. We have 3 make.com blueprints or scenarios that I use with the tutorials right here as well, and then a library of just some extra resources and Fiverr gigs that I use as well. All of this stuff you're going to be able to get access to for free. So I hope you're excited, and if you are excited, let me know down below. Do me a favor, respond with the word yes in the comments. It lets me know to make more videos like this in the future. So let's not waste any more time. Let's dive in to exactly what we need to get started and how this actually works. So first thing we want to do is just go ahead and go to digitalplaybook.com. This right here, just put in your first name and email, and it is going to take you over to where the digital playbook is hosted, which is right inside of this group. So you have to join this. It is free, and you can see there's 1,000 people in here. New start here. This is where you get access to the checklist. We have a chat of people asking questions, announcement, and some members only videos that I don't post on YouTube. So go ahead and get access to here, and then we're going to jump into the checklist. And the first thing that you're going to want to do is grab Go High Level. Now, you don't have to use Go High Level. You can use any type of CRM, but I like Go High Level because it allows you to schedule out your content, it allows you to send emails, and it allows you to build websites and funnels. So that's a trifecta right there. So go ahead and use Go High Level. Another reason why I like this tool is you're going to be able to get my snapshot. And a snapshot basically means that you're going to be able to import all of my different funnels, assets, and frameworks directly into your account. So go ahead and do that. Sign up and import the snapshot, and you will get taken to this screen right here, which is your sub account or dashboard. And like I said, this is the 3 main areas I'm going to be covering: the marketing, automations, and sites. So let's go ahead and talk about the automations. This is going to be your opt-in or funnel. So this is where we're going to be sending people once we create that short form content. And as you can see, this is the exact same one that I use. Grab my free checklist, boom. As you can see, this is my opt-in funnel. It is super simple, grabs their attention and just asks them to do something super simple. And then it puts them onto your email or newsletter. So hopping back into Go High Level, it's going to take them to your email automation, and this is what we're going to have to build out next. Now, the one that I suggest you guys using once you import the snapshot is going to be the new email opt-in. It gives you 60 done for you emails that are going to be plug and play. Now, this is towards promoting high level, but obviously whatever tool that you choose to promote, just go into ChatGPT and tell it to rewrite the email promoting whatever tool or service you choose. So all you would need to do to get this set up is add a trigger. Obviously, we would have a form, submit the form, and it would just be, mine is like main opt-in form. Yeah, main opt-in form. You would just click that, and then it would, voila. Every time that form would be submitted with an email and a first name, it would get put into this sequence. Now, how we actually make the money is by promoting different tools, which I give you inside of the digital playbook. Now, these are the tools that I have been promoting recently: Go High Level, Blotato, XFeature, and make.com. All these ones I still promote right here, the top picks, but just not as much recently. And then obviously there's a bunch of other tools. So let's say you're into copywriting or you're more into writing, promote one of these tools. They have affiliate programs. Maybe you want to do some more video or audio, different emails, funnel builders. So I give you a plethora of different tools to choose one. You don't have to use the essential ones. I just use these because this is what I'm doing in my own company, as far as using Go High Level, using Blotato to create my short form content, and then using XReacher to like do some automated outreach on Twitter, or I still call it Twitter, but it's actually X. And how you would sign up for these is just click. And for most of these softwares, if you go down to the very bottom, they will have something that says become an affiliate. So I thought I'd just scroll down. So for Go High Level, very bottom right here, affiliate program right there. And then if you want to become and use Blotato, theirs just actually makes it super easy right up here to go ahead and click and become an affiliate for them. And then once you do, you will get a link that looks like this. This is going to be your affiliate link. And that is what you're going to be putting inside of your emails once you get their first name and email address to start promoting and building a conversation with your audience. So once you have your opt-in or your site built out, then we have the automations, the back end. Then it comes the marketing, which is the social planner, where you're going to be scheduling out your content. So before you're able to schedule out content, we're going to need to create some content. So we're going to hop into Blotato for that. So once you're inside Blotato, you're able to do a couple other things. This screen right here is just for the different platforms. Now, I'm not going to touch base on this because I really use it just for creating videos. But you're able to create Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, even like written text posts as well. But I'm going to hop over to videos. And so what I do is I just go into here and I copy one of my prompts, and then I just paste it into, let's go ahead and just actually do it. Copy, I paste it into here, boom. And then I just pick whichever one. I switch it up each time, and then boom, enable voiceover, enable captions, and I generate the draft video. But let's say you don't want to be doing the exact same thing. The one good thing is you don't have to go to ChatGPT. You can literally type in whatever you want. So working at the Christmas store, just something random. And style, it could just be fun facts. You could even make the length different, 66 seconds. Boom, we're going to generate the script. Super easy. Boom. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to generate the draft video for you guys, but I'm not going to actually generate the video. I'm just taking you through the process. And as you can see right here, it's generating the script. Each script is a different shot. So I'm about to cut back in when it is done generating. Alrighty, once it's done generating, as you can see right here, it has all the different image prompts right here. And then you would just hit boom, generate, and then it would create the different images. Now, if you actually want to see this whole process, I actually do have another video on my channel where I teach you how to do everything with Blotato, but I'm not going to do this so I don't run out of credits. So once you have created the video, you would just save it to your computer, and then you would go back into your Go High Level software, marketing, you would just create a new post and you would upload it and schedule it out here. I would suggest doing about 2 videos a day, 2 to 3. I do about 3 videos a day, and your whole point is just getting traffic and getting people onto your email list and promoting it for profits. So just to go back over everything, you are going to want to just go ahead and get the digital playbook here. Just go to digitalplaybook.com and you will get taken to the free group where I give you everything. Also, if you have any questions or need help setting anything up, this is where I spend a lot of my time. So you're able to just direct message me through there. And that's the easiest way to get an answer. But that is going to be it for this video, AI Pros, and I will see you in the next one.